What's up everyone, this is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? It's been a while since we are under lockdown in Thailand, in Bangkok, Thailand. And yeah, we are actually getting used to it. In this video today, I'd like to share with you 3 investments that I made for myself to make the work from home experience as productive as possible. Let's get into it. It came, but it came before the monitor came. But oh well, I have been waiting for this so much because my old mouse, the scrolling thing was broken on my old mouse, so I am very thankful that this has arrived. We'll try setting it up with my PC. It's my company PC. It's a normal Panasonic Butts Note CFSC5. Let's see, how do I do this? Oh yeah, the one thing that I really am looking forward to in this mouse is the rechargeable battery. Fast and rechargeable. It says it holds up power up to 70 days on a full charge. See the features there? It's actually pretty awesome. All the mouses, the mouse that I've been using before were normal battery ones, so I didn't have that opportunity. Look, it has a real easy setup instructions. I flick this thing on first. On. Oh, the green lamp turned on. I guess I connect this first. In you go. Oh yeah. And I think you're supposed to press for 3 seconds to connect to a device, I guess. Where's the button? Oh, there it is. Button is right here. It already has like a lamp on. Wait, it's gone. What? Oh. I'm really surprised it's already connected. I didn't even have to do anything. Okay, it's connected. So one of the things that I got shipped is, oh yeah, I bought these on Amazon. Let's open it up. Here we go. Keyboard. It's really wrapped neatly. Okay. Whoa, this is slim. And they have that Bluetooth syncing thing. And well, they also have this, the charger, the wire in here. I guess that's it for the box. It does have a little bit of manual illustration, and let's get to setup. I forgot to show you the actual thing. Oh yeah. Ta-da! Nice. Nice. We should take a look at that. It's very light too. Very slim. Slim and light. Look at that. Wow. I like that a little bit of concave keyboard. You see that? It has a little bit of concaveness to it. fits my finger very well. And I like that clicking too. It's very soft, it's gentle. Yup. Now let's get to setting this up and seeing how this works. So according to the instructions on the box right here, you first have to turn this part on. Oh, there goes the green light. Oh, there's like a, you see that? There's a backlight to the keyboard. Oh my god, that is nice. Okay. Okay, so I got this message on my screen showing to put that passcode in. What I do is enter it here. Oh wait, it's gone. Okay, there's a new one. 341435. Return. I think it worked. Wait, no, it's in Japanese, but it says it cannot sync. What? Okay, 識別中のキーボードで左シフトキーの右隣のキーを押してください。Which what? Oh, it's like giving me. Now this guy is giving me instructions so that it can set it up, and I am going to do as it says. It worked, and all I have to do is click finish. Yes! Look at that. Wait, you can't read it anyways, it's in Japanese. It's this one right here. It says connected. Yes, thank you. Yes. Okay, so it worked perfectly with my MacBook, which is my private PC, and now what I am going to do next is try to sync with my company laptop. So it should be the same. I will look at Bluetooth settings, add Bluetooth, and yes, it's Bluetooth. Here it is, MX keys. Oh, and you always have to put in that pin, okay? 465565. Enter. Oh! It says that the device has been ready to prepare. Let's see if it is working. Oh, it's already connected. Oh, and it shows the battery, it's only 50%, okay? It works! Yes! This is my monitor. This is humongous. I thought it'd be a little bit smaller. Open! So what I got is a Dell monitor. Oh, this is heavy. Okay. Whoa, this is a lot to deal with. So first we have the instructions and a factory report. Thank you. We have oh nice. We have the USB-C cables, HDMI, safety information. We have I don't know what you call this. What is this? I'm completely new to monitors, so I'm not really sure of what I'm dealing with, but oh, it's the stand. Okay. And we have the arm. Well, not the arm, but like the thing that holds the monitor. Yeah. There's something in here. Outlet. Power outlet. And we have here our monitor. Oh, this is heavy. Here it is. The monitor part. Let's assemble it. This is what you begin with. Very easy. You just slide it on. and you turn this around so that it locks. Yep. And you push that thing back in there. Now you have it ready. Very easy. Oh yeah, there we go.